Great Excel shortcut keys. Excel, like any great software, has many excellent keyboard shortcuts. Here are some of the best. Control plus semicolon inserts today's date. Control plus Shift plus inserts the current time. The colon is what is in a clock reading, like 12 o'clock. Control plus Shift plus hash changes the format of a date. Control plus 5 applies a strike through to the text in a cell. Control plus 0 hides the current column. Control plus 9 hides the current row. Control plus F6 switches between open workbooks, that is, open Excel files in different windows. Control plus, that's the accent mark, up by the 1 key. This combo toggles the view in the sheet to show all the formulas. Control plus page up or page down, quick shift between the sheets in the currently open workbook. F2, start editing the current selected cell, much faster than double-clicking. Shift plus F10 opens the right-click menu for the cell you're in.